Yeah, hi, this is RJ from RJ's Ways of Adventure Travel. For all your vacation needs, call 866-945-2700. I'm available 7 days a week from 9:30 a.m. to 9:30 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. In the description, you'll find my email and website information. Might give you some additional ideas to help you with your vacation plans. Let us do all the hard work for you. We act as your concierge from beginning to end. We don't charge any additional fees, and in many cases we're able to give you group pricing for individuals that can save you money and give you additional perks. Please click the like and subscribe button. It costs you nothing. It tells YouTube to share my channel with people looking for vacation content. We publish a new video every 2 weeks. Today's video is going to be about the Avid Hotel in Fort Lauderdale. I was looking for a hotel that was nice, clean, and relatively close to the Fort Lauderdale or Port Everglades cruise port, and I will tell you, comes highly recommended. Breakfast was great, the rooms were clean, the staff was very friendly, they had a gym, they had a pool there. I was looking for something to eat. They referred me to a whole bunch of restaurants that were close by that was able to deliver to us in the hotel. So again, Avid Hotel, Fort Lauderdale, especially if you're going to be going on a cruise at a Port Everglades. Take care now. Hopefully you enjoy the video, and hope to speak to you soon. Bye.